Hello everyone, this is Monica Notes. So with all this TikTok ban talk lately, something crazy is happening. Americans flocking to xiaohongshu, which is a Chinese social application. As of today, xiaohongshu or the rednote is actually hitting #1 on Apple Store's free charts in multiple countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, etc. Today I'm going to share with you 10 tricks to use the rednote. But before that, let me explain what is the rednote. It's basically the Chinese version of Instagram. Here's the wild part. Why is everyone suddenly jumping on it? Because it's literally the only Chinese application you can sign up without a Chinese phone number. At first, Americans were downloading the rednote as a protest against the TikTok ban, which is pretty ironic. TikTok is going to be banned because its data is in China, as in the case of rednote. Rednote is a Chinese application with all this data only in China, and everything is in Chinese. So it will be very ironic if the rednote becomes the #1 application. Then here's the plot twist. Americans are actually loving the rednote, but then they discover how interesting the rednote is. They are finding out that the rednote is super fun, because whenever they post something, they got tons of comments and views from Chinese users. On TikTok, actually, it's sometimes very hard to get comments. But on rednote, everyone has the chance to hit 10,000 views. And what's more, you can find many hilarious comments with hilarious memes on rednote. Personally, I think the algorithm of the rednote is even better than TikTok. It only takes you about 10 minutes to 30 minutes to train this application to your preferences, and you will see exactly what you want to see. So, how to use the rednote? Let me share with you 10 tricks. Okay, first trick, you go to your homepage, press Me, then here, Settings, General Settings, and you can change your language to English. But the English translation is still a work in progress. So even if you change into English, you can still see lots of Chinese. Second, again, press Me, press this, and you can see the Creator Center here. It will show you the data of your post and some inspiration of the hot posts. Third trick, go to your homepage again. Here, Settings, there is a notification settings. You can turn off some notifications if you find it disturbing. Fourth trick, here you can change your profile. You can change the name and background photo, everything. Fifth, again here, Settings, switch account. You can add multiple accounts and switch easily between one account and another. 6. In the message section, here, press More Groups. You can add your own new group, you see. 7. For all your gamers out there, you can actually make money posting your gaming content. Just search for the game's Chinese name, like this one, like the Honka Star Rail. And you see, here are some tags that you can add when you post the gaming content. So when you post any gaming content, adding these tags, you might receive some payment from the game company. This is where you receive your bonus. Here's mine. Number 8, don't worry too much about the strict content review. Even if your post gets limited reach, your account mostly will be fine. Number 9, posting is super easy. Press this button, use image text, and type anything. Generate. And you see, you'll get a nice post. Trick 10. Just for your information, there is a limit on direct messages to strangers. You can only message 20 new people per day. Do you got any questions about China or about the red note? You can leave me a comment.